Hey there, today I want to show you how to use the Ignore Pointer widget in Teta. The Ignore Pointer is a built-in widget that prevents their children's widget from executing certain pointer events like tapping, dragging, scrolling, and hovering. This widget ignores the pointer events without terminating them. Now, let's go on our widget menu and, for example, place a button within our display. By default, the Ignore Pointer is false. If we then select the play mode, you can see that the button will redirect you to the selected page very easily. Let's now go back and enable the Ignore Pointer widget in the settings. As you can see, when clicking play, the button will not work anymore. This is because we disabled the possibility to touch it. If you want to see other Teta tutorials, don't hesitate to visit our YouTube channel. See you next time!